Chapter 3, Effective Teaching in Every Classroom by Kristen R. Herring for ED/LD 5483 Curriculum Development under Dr. Kimberly Wilkerson. Level 2, High Reliability Schools Have Effective Teaching in Every Classroom. Marzano concluded that there is a plethora of research that shows there is a positive impact on student achievement when educators are growing professionally to better their instructional practices. Highly qualified educators are the most crucial element impacting student achievement. Marzano et al. 2018. The leading indicator 2.1 says the school leadership provides the expectation for teachers when planning instruction. A description of this includes that it begins with the creation of accepted vernacular or non-negotiables for teachers to use when creating instructional plans. Provides a model of the expectations. Leaders become experts in the expectations and strategies that they can model and hold educators accountable, and it ensures educators are continually trained on a variety of instructional strategies. The lagging indicators might be taken care of if they have teachers who model the expectations and strategies for others, continue to develop teachers, and have teachers involved in expressing the expectations to others. Quick data and continuous improvement includes questioning students as to strategies teachers are using, data talks with teachers, and classroom walkthroughs. Leader accountability may include progress monitoring for non-negotiables with feedback, continual discussions using common vernacular to build expectations and accountability. Marzano et al. 2018. Leading indicator 2.2, the school leadership aids educators in growing instructional knowledge through reflective practices and development of professional growth plans. A description includes educators choosing professional development opportunities that lend toward personal growth in an area of need. Teachers are encouraged to develop a growth mindset, take chances, and recognize real weaknesses that they can set goals for improvement. Lagging indicators, teachers need evidence of growth, and that can be written documentation, collaboration logs, and progress logs. Quick data and continuous improvement. Educators should be able to speak to their goals, provide evidence of their progress, and discuss why they choose their goals. Leader accountability. Progress monitoring for growth toward goals, and skills created for teachers to monitor their own progress. Marzano et al. 2018. Leading indicator 2.3. The school leadership is attentive and tracks prevalent pedagogical strategies. A description includes classroom walkthrough data that's used to identify prevalent strategies used by educators. Allows data to describe the happenings on the campus, and periodic and continual classroom walkthrough data that is collected. Lagging indicators include data talks that reveal prevalent instructional practices in the building, and school leaders sharing building educator competency. Quick data and continuous improvement includes snapshots taken of classes that can be discussed by campus leaders, identifying the habits that are seen on the campus. Leader accountability includes progress monitoring to ensure the implementation of systems and structures are leading to expected progress. Marzano et al. 2018. Leading indicator 2.4. The school leadership is actively evaluating educators and providing feedback based on what is seen and what the student data reveals for teachers to set goals and strive for improvement. A description includes federal funding that was granted to states who follow a rigorous system for teacher and administration evaluation and improvement. It identifies highly qualified and less qualified educators to build a support system. A minimum of 10 observations are needed to provide a true estimate of what is actually occurring in a classroom, and creation of an RTT system that labels teachers as effective, good, or ineffective. Lagging indicators include teachers that are assigned to an area of the RTT system and moved up or down accordingly throughout the year. Scales are used by administrators and teachers so that they can monitor their progress, and educators are provided feedback and a wide variety of data that is collected throughout the year. Quick data and continuous improvement. Educators are knowledgeable of their observation feedback, and evaluators are able to speak to the observation data. Leader accountability includes follow-through with the observations that they say they're going to do, accurate knowledge of instructional practices, goals, and school models. Marzano et al. 2018. Leading indicator 2.5. The school leadership provides meaningful professional development to teachers with the intent of helping them meet their professional growth plan. A description includes finding professional development that correlates to a teacher's PGP, training coaches to train the teachers, creating a library of best practices for teachers to watch and learn from. Teachers can also share their reflections with leaders for continual growth. Lagging indicators may be handled through educator videos that are shared with coaches for feedback. Virtual professional development options available for growth. Educators providing PD in areas that they are personally experts for others. Coaches providing PD and modeling instructional expectations. Quick data and continuous improvement. Educators provide evidence of using what they are learning in their PD, explaining how PD leads them to their professional growth plan goals, and then coaches finding teachers who can also lead by an example. Leader accountability includes approving PD that lends itself towards attainment of goals. Marzano et al. 2018. Leading indicator 2.6, educators are able to view and collaborate with teachers who are highly qualified. A description of this includes teachers viewing effective teachers. Collaboration occurs afterwards to discuss what was seen. Lagging indicators might be handled through educators registering to view effective teachers on campus and then having collaborative discussions about what they saw. Educators watch videos possibly that represent effective teaching, and educators collaborate about what was seen through the videos and classroom observations. Quick data and continuous improvement. Educators discuss what they learned and tried. They provide information about teacher efforts to all other teachers. And educators who were observed provide minutes from teacher talks. Leadership accountability ensures educators can observe effective teachers, followed by discussions. Marzano et al. 2018. Educational leaders ensuring effective teaching in every classroom. Alignment to the professional standards for educational leaders. Standard 4 says educational leaders builds a system that ensures student achievement through the provision of rigorous curriculum, instruction, and assessment. That includes advocating for effective instructional practices and ensuring progress monitoring of student data, making sure that the instructional strategies that are used and learned are positively impacting the data. Standard 6, educational leaders build a highly qualified faculty with effective practices to increase student achievement, creating an atmosphere of effective teachers, providing PD to build expertise of instructional practices, encouraging progressive improvement, observing and completing classroom walkthroughs with feedback and support systems in place. Standard 7, educational leaders build collaborative professional learning communities that offer mentorships. Standard 9, educational leaders will observe educators and provide needed resources to ensure student success. And Standard 10, educational leaders serve and hold educators accountable for improvement so students can succeed. NPBEA 2015.